Shalax's YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how I built my own extension wall and I did my own cement mixing. So let me show you how I did it. First you have to get all your tools, your building tools. There is few tools but you can get it cheap on Lazada. So I did purchase all from Lazada. So the tools are a brick trowel to scoop up the cement paste, a square trowel for flattening the cement, a cement tray to hold the cement from falling and also to keep some cement on it, sponge scrub trowel for plastering cement. This is the items that I purchased from Lazada and the prices. I used 7-liter paint bucket. I did not purchase the contracting yellow bucket since I have this small water pail. Please purchase a good glove to protect your hands from the cement. Please get at least 2 to 3 gunny sack. Currently I just needed 20 kg sandbag to build a wall. To build a wall, we need the sand to be a bit coarse so that it can be mixed well with the cement, so that the cement paste will be a bit muddy type. This is the cement that I'm going to use. This is OBA proof actually. I did not buy the 50 kg cement because I had balanced OBA proof cement from doing my tiles. So I'm using this to build the wall. I bought red bricks because I prefer this red bricks. It's stronger. If you want to get the stone bricks, also can. 10 scoops of sand, 15 scoops of cement. Always cement must be more than sand to get the right mixture. The 10 scoop of sand, mix it well with the 15 scoop of cement. Make sure there's no any rocks. Once it's already mixed well, now we can make it into paste. This is the bag that I was mentioning about, OBA proof. It's actually adhesive cement. I transfer 15 scoop from the bigger bucket to a smaller bucket. Now I take my small pail of water and pour little by little and start doing the mixing. Do not pour too much water, then it will become too watery. So you must get the right texture. Keep mixing with the trowel till it become a nice paste, muddy paste. So you see now it's a bit muddy. It's good texture, but I feel it needs a bit more cement because I feel the sand can be seen. So I add another 1 scoop of cement into the bucket and start mixing again. Now you can see it's been mixed very well. So this is how it's supposed to look like, the cement mixture to build a wall. I already built the first line of wall. It's an extension wall. So now I'm going to show you how I did it on the second line. Take a cement scoop and paste it on the wall nicely. Make sure you cover all the endings. So this is how it looks like. I did halfly now. So take a brick and put on top of the cement and make it all a line till the end. So I'm almost done to the end. So now I'm going to plaster the final touch. Carry your cement tray on the left and plaster on the right hand. So the plastering is done, so we'll wait for it to dry. We'll see how it looks like tomorrow. This is my neighbor's wall, so this is how it looks like now. I haven't plastered yet. Do not worry about the empty spots which is empty between the bricks. Once you plaster, the cement will go into all the empty spots and will cover up the bricks. Before I show you horizontal way how I plaster. Now I'm showing you vertical way how to plaster. Look carefully. Just push it all in with a trowel. Keep some on your cement tray and smash it nicely and put. So actually after plaster you have to have wood which can smoothen the wall, but I did not purchase because I prefer it to be rough, but it will be better if you can purchase the wood and smoothen the wall so that it will look evenly when you paint. So my side of the wall after drying it looks like this. This is my first time building a wall. Hopefully you guys can accept how it have been turned out. It is not great as a contractor, but it at least looks like a wall, and you see the surface is very smooth after plastering. So after painting it looks like this, but if you want a smoother wall you can purchase this wood, finishing wood, to smoothen the wall so it will look even. Now I'm painting the top wall, almost finished. So this is how it looks like after painting. It has like a pattern because I did not use the finishing wood. So if you use the finishing wood it will look more even, but I like it this way. Hope you guys do too. Impossible is nothing. Do not hesitate to try to build a wall. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Sayonara.